Hi there, I'm Christy with WTI. I have a young boy who got glasses about 5 months ago and they are dirty all the time. So I picked up this giant box of pre-moistened lens cleaning cloths from CareTouch. They're awesome. I really like that these are individually moistened towels because of course he got some lens cleaner and a cloth when he got his glasses, but do we know where that's at? We sure don't. So if he loses one of these wipes, it's not a big deal. There's 210 in here. So I can throw some of these in his backpack, I can keep some in the car, I can keep them in drawers around the house, so they're easily accessible. And they're not just for glasses. These are effective and safe to clean your phone screens, monitors, iPads, whatever you need. So if you're looking for a quick and easy way to either clean your glasses or your screens, these are perfect. But that's just my point of view.